guys, it's your girl Deena and welcome back to Heavenly Curls. So in today's video, as you already know by the title down below, I'll be showing you guys how I got these bomb knotless braids. I know you want to know, so don't forget to keep on watching. I know you miss Reylene, I miss her too, but don't worry, she'll be back. So if you're new to our channel, welcome. We love to have you here. Thanks for watching our videos. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. And if you've been here since day one, we still appreciate you. We love you, and we hope that you enjoyed this video. If you know you're gonna try this hairstyle, don't forget to let us know in the comments down below. And yeah, because it's super easy and effective. So if you want to see how I got these bomb knotless braids, then keep on watching. Let's get into it. So as usual, you guys know we're starting off with freshly washed hair. I use the Manuka and honey and yogurt repair shampoo and conditioner to wash my hair. It works wonders, people. You can get it. I'll link it in the description. I bought it at Pennywise. Right, so this hairstyle is something that I learned from another YouTuber, so I'll link her video down below so you can see what I'm talking about. And this is my first time attempting, so hopefully all goes well. So the first step is obviously dividing your hair into sections, meaning in box plait. So as you know from previous videos, I cannot part my hair for myself. So you know my sister is going to be doing this part for me. All you're going to need is your edge control. This is the edge control that I'll be using, and a comb, and that's all. So she's gonna divide my hair into section, and I will be back for that part. So yeah, and then we'll get started. And then I'll show you the other stuff you'll need for the other section of this video. So I'm gonna let her do that and I'll be right back. So I'm back, and I mean she took a long time because she stopped because today's my nephew's birthday. You know, she's cooking, and yeah, she took a long time. So this is what it looks like. Definitely call this small section. So for this section, all you're going to need is your crochet needle and your hair. I will link the type of hair that I use down below, because again, this is hair I'm using over. If you watch my knotless braid when I took it out video, I will also link that down below if you haven't seen it. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. This is that hair. I'll be using it over there. I hope I'll have enough here because she did it so small. But we're gonna see. So there's a high chance that half of this video is going to be taped in this setting, and the next half is going to be taped in another half, because I don't know if I'll finish because I have to leave to go somewhere in a few. So if this video continues in a different location, you already know why. So I'm gonna start doing it from the front, just so you can see what to do, so that when I move to my other location, if I don't finish this in time, when it's time for me to leave, at least I already showed you, so you just see the other process of me doing the rest. So the hair are already stripped and in single pieces. This is what it looks like. So all you're gonna do is get your crochet needle. You're gonna push your hair through, push the needle through, put the hair on just like when we did if you watch how to do passion twist video, you just put in that through. So you want to level the hair, of course, make sure it's the same length, that's important. And then we're just gonna braid just like that. And you may need some edge control to make this hair blend properly. So when you're coming down to the end now, you will definitely need to borrow some hair. So yeah, I finished the first one, and I'm leaving the end out because I'm gonna curl it with a perm rod after. So yeah, I'm curling the end. So this is the first time I'm gonna show you guys one more. Say hi.
Hi guys, you're putting this in the video?
Okay.
Right.
I've been yeah, so we having a little party. It's my nephew's birthday and we having a little family get together thing. So yeah. Hence why she wanted to say hi. So I'm just gonna show you how to do it one more time. And I think you guys should get the drift. So I didn't comb out this one, but because this one is bigger, obviously I did comb it out. You put some edge control, you pass it through the braid, you put it on, close it, push it through, and you make sure it's the same length. And then you just braid. And when you're braiding, you really want to grab the hair so it's tight and not loose to the hair. Like tighten it at the root. And then just braid like a regular braid. This piece is really long, so I don't know if I will need to borrow from the other side. I don't think I'll need to borrow. But we shall see. If your hair itself is as long as the braid, there's no need to borrow. So coming on to the end, I had to borrow a little piece. That's also fine because that's right where I had to leave to curl. So these are the two that I have so far. Yeah. So now I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. So yeah. So I barely reached halfway and I have to leave to go to another location. So most likely you would either see me in a different t-shirt, or if where I'm going have really good lighting and I don't need natural lighting, I will carry my ring light and see if I can still do it. But other than that, you're either gonna see me in a different t-shirt and I may have to finish it tomorrow. So updated in a few. So you guys already know, based from the background, it's not blue, I know, that I'm in a different location. So I came to my sister for a few days and well, but we still have to get the video done. Thanks for my niece for loading me her room. You see her in the clip that I did before. So let's continue. So all I did so far is 4 people, literally just 4. So we're just gonna continue. I'm on my last 2 and it's 7:45. And I started like around 4:45. 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 hours, people. 3 hours. But I had a lot of in-between breaks. So stopped to eat. Me and my niece was talking a lot. So I don't know. Yeah. So I think all of that could have contributed to being longer, but 3 hours for it being this small. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. But not counting the time it took to actually plait the hair as well. to part it and stuff. That was probably like a little 2 hours. So 5 hours to do want this hairstyle. Wow. So I finally finished and this is how it looks. I find it looks really, really good. Like, but it will look better when I dip it in water and add the flexi rods. So now I'm gonna add the flexi rods and then I'm gonna dip it in water. Yeah, so for the flexi rods part, you don't necessarily need to put a single flexi rod on because this is all I have. So all I'm gonna do is like wrap like a whole set onto one like this. And then like dip that whole thing in water. Dip this in some hot water and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final results. See you guys in a sec. Just gonna take off the boomerangs. See? So, see that? And you just kind of like separate it. You don't want it like perfect or anything. And ta-da! So at this stage, people mostly just like put some foam and put some braid spray. You can do so if you like. I just completely forgot. So yeah. So yeah. So this is the final results. I mean, it looks like professional knotless braids. Like it looks like I'm so proud right now. I mean, my sister did the hardest part, which is parting. So find your sister, find your cousin, let them part it for you, because that's like the most important part. That's what gives it. It's like neatness, I would say. But like, dang, I am proud. I'm not doing knotless the other way ever again, because this was so much simple. This was so simple and yet still look as cute as regular knotless. Let me put my favorite hairstyle. This came out bomb. Like, I'm proud. Like, oh my gosh. Like, you cannot tell that I did this in the crochet method. Like, you cannot. Like, could you? Because, girl, you don't even know. Let me just show you the back. My girl. So I hope you guys try this hairstyle. I mean, I hope this video is helpful in all those people out there who's struggling to do knotless braids. I could do knotless braids, just not on my own hair. I could do it on other people's hair, but I can't do it on myself. But this, I could definitely do on myself, and I will be doing it a lot more, because this, it was a lot of work. It took 5 hours, but it was worth it. So let me know down below if you'll be trying this or if you think it's worth it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys will try the hairstyle. If you do, let us know in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.